Welcome, students! Today we are going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions are used before nouns to show time, location, or direction. There are many types of prepositions in English. Let's take a look at the prepositions that show location. These are called prepositions of place. 3 common ones are in, at, and on. First, in is used to talk about a large space. For example, Beth's apartment is in New York. Second, you use at to talk about a specific or limited place. For example, now the bus is at the bus stop. Third, for people and objects that are on the surface of something, you use on. For example, there is a computer on my desk. Do you understand the difference between the 3? Good! Let's review today's lesson.